didn't. I went through a lot of trouble with that thing. I'm sure you did. You like it? Now you don't fall in it. Yeah. And I won't have to worry.
Mommy, you can build it back together too. Mommy.
Yeah, you can build different things with it.
Yeah.
Am I the only one going to my stocking right now?
Yeah, because they got toys and you get a bite.
I don't have to play with them right now.
You gonna go through your stocking, Bradley?
Hmm?
You gonna go through your stocking?
Okay, guys. Oh, okay.
Right here. Hey.
Okay.
Millie, come here. Come here, babe.
Tootsie Roll.
Come here.
Me.
Nerd.
Hot tamale. Debbie sticker. Candy
Oh, what do
cane.
you mean?
Mom.
Ellie. Lip gloss.
The chocolate that Yum.
And orange.
Another icebreaker thing. What's this? Apple.
3.
You want Bradley on my apple?
We'll just put them all in the
Mom.
kitchen.
I'll put them in the
Mom.
Chopstick?
Yeah. I got bubble yum chapstick. I got this. More chapstick and kind of chocolate hot. I got ice
I got Bubble Yum, Twizzlers, and Hershey.
Mom, did you say we're going to put these in the kitchen so we can know?
Yeah, one thing.
I'm going to build another floor. I'm going to build another floor.
We're gonna open this.
Lock it. My bad.